After reading your state's driving manual, watching this video, and completing the interactive practice tests on this DVD, you should be able to pass the written test with ease. Now let's move along and review the types of signs you will encounter on nearly every journey. Regulatory signs, warning signs, informational signs, and construction signs. Regulatory signs tell us what we must do. Obey them in the same way you would obey traffic laws. They are usually black and white and rectangular. A few examples of regulatory signs would be speed limit signs, one-way street signs, and do not pass signs. Warning signs alert drivers of what lies ahead and what to look for. They are generally yellow and black and diamond-shaped. Examples of warning signs include sharp turn ahead, stop sign ahead, and slippery when wet signs. Informational signs are typically green, blue, or brown. Green informational signs provide guidance. An example would be the signs mounted above the highway indicating the lane or lanes to use in order to follow a certain route. Blue informational signs usually indicate motorist services. For example, signs like these found along the highway inform you on where to find fuel, food, and lodging. Brown signs indicate public recreation and places of special interest. For example, they might guide you to a state or local park. Construction signs are used to warn drivers of work areas along the road. These signs are exclusively orange and usually diamond-shaped. Be sure to reduce your speed and drive cautiously through construction zones. Fines are often doubled in these work areas. Knowing signs by their shape and color is essential in order for you to know what to expect as you approach them. For an extensive list of signs and what each of them mean, check out the Signs Index on this DVD. Now let's take a look at the most common signals you'll see. A steady red light means you must come to a stop before the intersection. A steady yellow light means caution, red light coming up. You must stop before the intersection if you can do so safely. If you can't stop safely, proceed through the intersection cautiously before the light turns red. A steady green light means go, if it is safe to do so. Even with a green light, be aware of pedestrians and other traffic within the intersection. If you encounter a green light at a backed-up intersection, make sure you stay out of the intersection until it is clear. If you avoid this advice, you could get stuck in the middle of an intersection while cross-traffic gets a green light. Not only is blocking the intersection dangerous, it's also illegal. A flashing red light means stop before the intersection and then proceed when it is safe to do so. You should handle the signal just as you would a stop sign. A flashing yellow light indicates that you should slow down and proceed cautiously through the intersection. A green arrow showing at the same time as a red light gives you the right of way to travel in the direction of the arrow. If you approach a traffic light where the signals aren't working, you must come to a complete stop and treat it like a stop sign.